friends, my name is Navjyoti and I have an experience of about 4 years in IT training. And in this video, we are going to learn about some programming with the help of most common languages nowadays, that is Java. So before going into the details of Java, let me introduce you to some features or history and the applications of Java, and then we will, in further videos, we'll make some programs and learn more about it. So, let's begin with the history. Java was developed by James Gosling in the year 1991 at Sun Microsystems, and it was first started with the name of Oak. It was a project, and later on it gained its name as Java. Then now let's discuss why Java was important and why there is a need to have a language like Java. क्योंकि उनसे पहले जो लैंग्वेजेस होती थी वो प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होती थी. हम जो भी कोड उसमें लिखते थे वो डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर रन नहीं कर सकते थे. दैट मीन्स अगर हम कोई प्रोग्राम एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पर लिख रहे हैं जैसे कि विंडोज, तो वो दूसरे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स पर रन नहीं कर सकते थे जैसे यूनिक्स या फिर लिनक्स पर. जावा के इंट्रोड्यूस होने से एक वर्चुअल मशीन जावा के साथ आती है जिसको हम JVM कहते हैं, दैट इज जावा वर्चुअल मशीन. उसके हेल्प से क्या होता है, एक मीडियम कोड डेवलप हो जाता है जो हर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के लिए, मतलब उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना हर सिस्टम के लिए पॉसिबल होता है. देन जो फर्स्ट वर्जन जावा का रिलीज किया गया था that was Java 1.0 in the year 1995. So let's begin with the features of Java. The most important feature is that it is simple. As we know that Java has a very rich library. That means it has various classes which are already defined in its library. So we can directly use them into our program and make our work easier. And next one is Java is object-oriented languages. That is, it uses the concept of class and object, which we can discuss later. And it's a wide concept. And it needs a lot of explanation. So we'll discuss it later. Now, as we have already discussed, it is platform independent. We have already discussed that we can run a Java program on different operating systems like Windows, Linux and Unix or whatever operating system available. Again, the Java is an interpreted language. Instead of compiler, it has an interpreter to interpret its program and then run it. Then Java is a robust language. Why do we call it a robust language? Because it has a feature of exception handling. It can handle the problems at the runtime itself. We have to write a code for it. Again, the Java is a secure language. That means we can do the transactions related to money with the help of Java. And these codes are, for these transactions, the code is written in Java itself. Then Java is a multi-threaded language. That means if there are various processes running on the CPU of the computer, and it runs it so fast that we don't even come to know that various processes are running at the same time. Again, Java has also a feature of garbage collection, which means in the languages like C or C++, we have to write a code to delete the memory location that are no more in use for it. But Java does it itself for us. Now let's discuss few applications of Java. We can use the Java code to design the mobile phone systems, Android systems, the embedded systems. We can also use Java programs to write the gaming codes, server-side applications, client-side applications, and the cloud computing and storage. And further, this was all about the applications. We'll further discuss the programs in Java in later classes, and then we'll move on to the other topics as well. Please like, share and subscribe our channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching.